Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time seeing my face, my name is Atinuke. So today I'll be sharing with you how I achieved this gorgeous, lovely crochet DIY ventilating wig. I ventilate the closure myself, so I'll be sharing with you all how you can achieve that. So what you see me doing now is just sewing down the closure net. After that, I'm going to be cutting the excess part out. We don't need that. This is the hair I'm going to be using, Expression Crochet hair. So what you see me doing now is just taking my eyebrow pencil, then I will demarcate the line I'll be crocheting on, I'll be ventilating on, so that I won't over ventilate over the line. This really gives me a guideline to know what I'm doing. Don't worry, the pencil at the end, the pencil won't show. So I already ventilated this side off camera. So now let's get started. I'm using the most tiniest crochet hook. Then I use the crochet hook to pick 3 strands of hair. 3 strands. I ventilate with 3 strands of hair. This really takes a lot of time. If you are not patient, you can't achieve this. You have to be patient. Do not rush yourself. When you do it a little, take a break. When you do it a little, take a break. I ventilate this little closure. I think it took me 2 days. Yes, 2 days to finish this wig. To even finish the ventilating to crochet on, it took me 2 days. So if you want to do it, you have to calm down. You can do it. You can achieve this gorgeous ventilating method yourself. You can ventilate yourself. So now you can see what I'm doing. I'm just crocheting with 3 strands of hair. That is, I'm ventilating with 3 strands of hair. If you don't want your closure to be full like mine, you can skip a hole. Like now, let me do a sample. When you ventilate on one hole, I mean when you crochet on the hole on the lace net, then you skip the next one, you won't crochet, then you crochet the next one. But if you want it to be fuller like mine, as in to have a lot of volume, you have to crochet all the space. Do you grab that? But at some stage, I did the method I said earlier. I crocheted on one, I didn't crochet on one. That is towards the back. So that is what you can see me doing now. 3 strands of 3 strands of hair. I use a ventilator. Sorry for that mistake. If you're a new subscriber, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back to watch my video. And if it's not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Can you please click the subscribe button? Support my ministry. To subscribe is free. I really appreciate each and every one of you. So guys, let's keep on watching. I use 1 pack and 2 strands of hair, because inside a pack of the crochet hair I use, there is 8 pieces of hair inside. So after I finish using 1 pack, I use only 2 strands from a new pack. Do you grab that? I really love this product a lot, especially this hair. I really love this hair a lot. It's very easy to work with. It does not tangle like that if you maintain it very well. Very lovely to work with. I really love the hair so much. I bought the hair in a beauty supply store in my area. You can see I use a shopping bag, as in I lay it on my mannequin head before I put on the wig cap. This method is very good. It will make you to see the holes on time for you to crochet on. You don't need to stress your face. You understand what I mean? You don't need to stretch your eyes before you see the hole. If you do this method, you are going to see the hole that you want to ventilate on. Very easy to see. And make sure you use a bond to bond the air you already ventilate away from the one you've not, so that it won't tangle. You are going to see what I mean by that. I use a bond to bond it towards the middle of this video. I was using a clip before, but the hair was kind of staying all around the clip I was using to hold it down. So I use a colored bond to hold it as I ventilate. I use so that it won't get tangled, so that my work will be very easy when I want to do the final touch of the hair when I'm done ventilating and when I'm done crocheting. Now I'm crocheting the back. This is not my first time of using this product. Very easy to maintain, does not tangle like that if you know how to maintain it. You know, it's a synthetic hair, it's not a woman hair, but this is a very best and affordable synthetic hair. I love this hair. Look at the way I'm just talking about the hair, the product itself. When I love something, I'll tell you this thing is good. I love this hair so much. So you can see I'm just crocheting, giving it some space. When I get to the top part, it won't be bigger like the one I use at the back. You're going to see that. If you are still watching, thank you so much for still watching. I really appreciate it so much. I didn't really do too much at the top as far my closure is full, so I didn't really do much. But make sure you reduce your hand down when you want to crochet the top part so that it won't be kind of bulky at the top. So now I'm using this mousse, olive oil mousse, and that coil define now to just bring out the coils and to reduce the volume of the hair. So when I'm done, I use a concealer just to blend the parts so that it will rhyme with my skin color. So that is all. This is the final look. Oh my god, I'm so in love with this hair. As in, this hair came out so beautiful. Can you please comment down below? Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to like, comment, share with your loved one. Look at the back as in the length. Oh my god. See you in my next video. Stay blessed. Make sure you subscribe. Kindly support me. I really appreciate that so much. See you in my next video. Bye. Ciao. Love you. Mwah, mwah. Stay blessed.